Welcome to ERPCA. Now we will see how to create new voucher of approved expense. So firstly, we need to approve the pending expense. To do this, go to the expense book, under Expenses menu on Dashboard. On Expense Book page, we will see Pending Expense list below. Click on Action button, and select Approve from drop-down list. Click on Yes to make record approved successfully. Now click on My Voucher menu, under Expense menu on Dashboard. In Create Voucher page, click on Create New Voucher button. Select Pending Logged Expense. On right-hand side we will see the voucher has been created. Click on Submit button. In this way we can create new voucher of approved expense. Thank you. With ERPCA, practice with ease.